The water cycle. Did you know that the Earth has been recycling water for over 4 billion years? The same water moves in the ongoing cycle between the Earth and the atmosphere, called the water cycle. The water cycle is made up of four stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Mountains are known as the water towers of the world and source between 60% and 80% of the Earth's fresh shower. What is the water cycle? The water cycle describes the continuous movement of water between lakes, rivers, oceans, and the atmosphere. During the cycle, water can be in the form of a solid ice, liquid, water, or gas vapor. It might be hard to imagine, but the water you think today is the same water that would have been used by ancient civilization and even the dinosaurs. That's because the water cycle continuously recycles the Earth's water supply. A lot of Earth water does not take part in the water cycle very often. Around 96% of the Earth's water is stored in the ocean. What are the four stages of water cycle? One of the one type of the energy can change into another type of energy. Energy transformation means the changing of energy from one type to another, e.g., from kinetic energy to electric energy, from potential energy to kinetic energy. Number 1. Evaporation. As the Earth's surface is heated by the sun, the temperature of the river, lakes, and ocean rises. This causes some of the water evaporation into atmosphere, when it turns into gas called vapor. Plants also lose water to the atmosphere through their leaves in process called transformation. 2. Condensation. As the water vaporizes, it cools. This makes it turn back into a liquid, which forms clouds. This cold is condensation. Clouds move around the earth by current high up in the skies. Precipitation. When the water droplets in the clouds become too large and heavy for the air to hold, they fall back to the earth. This is called precipitation, and that's how we get rain, snow, or heat, hail, or sleet. Collection. Number 4. The fallen water will be collected by rivers, lakes, and waters, ready for the cycle to begin again. How it ends up back in these bodies or water depends on where it lands. It might land directly in a river, lake, or ocean. It may land on vegetation and evaporation back into the air, or be taken up by the plant roots. It could climates, it may build up over time and the land in snow, ice, or glaciers. When the frozen water melts, it, it will soak into the ground of or flow into rivers, lakes, or ocean. It may land on the ground and flow across the earth until it reaches a river, lake, or ocean. This water is called surface runoff.